Hi, welcome to Classroom Navasin. Today we are going to talk about important mathematical concept called order of operation. Order of operation is just a set of math rules then tell you which match operation. Uh, like addition or multiplication to the first. Now you might be wondering, especially if you're a teenager, why do I need rule to tell me which operation to the first? Can't I just do them in any order I want? Which is a really good question. And to answer the question, we will create the same math problem but solve it completely different way to solve it. First person, the problem is to add 5 multiplied by 4. I like addition better than multiplication. Let me use the plus first. Let's see 2 add 5 equals 7. And then I just multiply that 7 by the 4 and I get 28. That easy. But don't copy. The answer is better. Second person. I not copy to your answer first person because I need the correct answer. And I like to multiply, so I do the first. Let's see 4 multiplied by 5 equal 20, and I add 2 to 22 as the final answer. Okay, so which one do you think is correct? Which no one made mistake with the calculation? They just did the operation in a different order and got different answer. Side there were no mistake. In a way, they were but lie. But math can be really confusing if there are different answers to the same problem. The order of operation rule are way for us or agree on the order that you show to math operation in. And if we always do operation in the same order, then we always get the same answer. The rule of the order of operations. First, parenthesis and brackets. Is operate in parenthesis first from left to right. Next, exponents. Exponent is power and roots from left to right. Then multiplication and division is multiplication and division from left to right. Last, addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction is addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay. First, parenthesis and bracket. Parentheses are just this symbol that's curve forward and backward, and they are used in pair like this. And when we put numbers and operator in between them, it form a group. It is almost like the parentheses form a packet to hold whatever match stuff we put inside them. Bracket work exactly the same way as parentheses. They just have a different shape. They look a little more bossy, but they mean exactly the same thing. So parentheses and brackets are used to group things together, and our rule tell us to do any operation inside this group first. Let's take a closer look at the second rule. Say the next thing we do is exponent. Now, if you have not seen exponent before, they are just a way of writing repeated multiplication. For example, the repeat multiplication 4 times 4 can be written in a shorter form as 4 multiplied twice. And 4 times 4 times 4 can be written and 4 multiplied 3 times. And 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 can be written as 4 multiplied 4 times. Guess the idea. Okay. This small number is called exponent or power. So after we take care of any parenthesis simplifying, any exponent become the next highest priority. Alright, now we go look at the last two rules together. These two rules are really important because they deal with the most common math operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the and the rule tell us that we need to do multiplication and division before we do addition and subtraction. To see how this rule works, let's look at a few quick examples that use those basic operations. First of all, remember to add 5 times 4. Does it look familiar? Yes, it is a question we gave earlier. And now that we have our rule, we see that we have to do the multiplication before addition. 5 times 4 equals 20, and then what we add to, which gives us 22. So the second guy was like here. Here are examples of the sequence of operation. We will use the rule of the order of operation to find this example. Example 1. Parenthesis 2 at 3 times parenthesis 4 minus 1 add 2 to the power 3. First, parenthesis and bracket. I doing in parenthesis. Parenthesis in 2 at 3 equal 5. Parenthesis 4 minus 1 equal 3. 5 times t add 2 to the power t. Next, exponent. I doing exponent. Exponent is exponent. Okay. Five times t s 2 to the power t equal เอก next then multiplication and division example 1 have to multiplication okay 5 times t equal 50 add egg last addition and subtraction example 1 have example 1 have addition 15 as egg equal 23 okay example 2 5 times 4 minus 9 divide by t first parenthesis and bracket example 2 not parenthesis and not bracket not have parenthesis and not have bracket next exponent example 2 no exponent no I not have exponent next then multiplication and division example 2 have multiplication and division okay ดังนั้นparenthesis 5 times 4 minus parenthesis 9 divide by t okay 5 times 4 equal 20 9 divide by t equal 3 last addition and subtraction example 2 have subtraction okay 20 minus t equal อายุ okay คัดลุงนวสิน is finished thank you